Alright, I'm taking my walk. This is the walk that I do 4 or 5 times a week. Depending on, well, kind of goes like this. I walk 2 days, then I run a day, then I walk 2 days, and I run a day. And the reason for that is at 67 I can't run every day. It destroys my knees and my back, and so I walk 2 days. So if you want to join me, it's about 45 minutes, and I'll try to explain why I do this walk, and you can also hear all the noise that comes with this walk. Got to get across this one road and hope I get this done before it rains. Plus, this is the first time I get to try to do a vlog. Or is that what it's called? Anyhow, or whatever. The reason I wanted to record this is so that I have a memory of this walk, or at least a recording of this walk to help me remember it, because in a year from now I won't be living here anymore. I'll be living someplace else, and this is such a beautiful walk, and it was my walk with Danielle, and it was pretty neat.
Is it raining all day?
Morning.
Morning.
One of my goals is always on this walk to get 10 good mornings in before I finish. Morning.
Morning.
So that's 3. Yeah, this is my walk that I use usually much earlier in the morning, but it was raining this morning. And I use it to plan my day, to show gratitude for the life I have. You get to see all the pretty flowers and nature. Kind of curious as to what my walks might look like in the future when I'm living someplace else. Hopefully they won't be as noisy. Good morning.
Good morning.
So I think that's 4. Yeah, it's gonna be an interesting couple of months as William and I. Good morning, guys.
Morning. Stay. Stay.
So that's 6. as William and I transition to our kind of like our private lives, he will be getting a job in mechanical engineering, and I will be hopefully moving into an RV and starting a nomadic life, because number one, I don't need that much space. We've got a 2-bedroom upstairs, downstairs apartment that, I don't know, it's way too big. I just need a place to sleep, place to eat, and a place to get on the computer, on my laptop, and do some work. And right now, Southern California, way too expensive to live. It's costing, I'd say, close to $5,000 a month. And it's not that much return on investment, I guess the term is. I'm also going to see if cute doggy. Good morning. Hi, doggy. I'm also going to see if this GoPro does okay for this walk. It's the first time, well, not the first time, but I want to try to record the entire walk, and I have zero video experience and zero GoPro experience, so this one's going to be, I guess, the foundation, and hopefully, well, the foundation video, and hopefully from now on out I learn some of the tips and tricks and can make it work better. See how many big puddles we'll have, because it's been raining a lot. You know, I wasn't going to do this today because of the rain, but wow, it looks pretty nice out back now. So we'll see. I miss doing this walk with Danielle. This was her litmus test. She, when we moved into these apartments, this was her favorite walk because it was so beautiful. 8 minutes and 20 seconds to get to the store. It's a little bit slow. Yes, Danielle loves this walk. And then she came down with lung cancer, and she said she knew she was doing okay as long as she could get this walk under her belt. And oh, it's really bouncing around a lot, isn't it? And then she got to where she couldn't do it anymore. And it was sad because she kind of knew. Once she couldn't do this walk, she knew things were really rough. For those of you watching, just to let you know, from beginning to end, this walk takes about 50 minutes, 50. Okay. Gotta look out for all these puddles now. Oh, the air is so clean. It's a wonderful morning. I don't know about where this Gopro is being situated because it's on a shoulder strap and is laying essentially right across my chest. I wonder if it would be better if it was laying